Hello, this is Simply Made Fancy, and I'm Ruth Angelina, and this is
Logan.
Logan. And today is Sandwich and Salad Saturdays in our home. So we're gonna be making Philly cheesesteak sandwiches. Are you excited to help Mommy?
Yes.
All right, let's get to it.
Our ingredients is a red pepper and one of this.
The beef shaved
Beef.
steaks.
And then we're gonna have an onion.
And then we're gonna need
A cheese.
and then
Olive oil.
Pepper.
Pepper.
And then some more oil to
No.
spray.
Yeah.
Butter.
It's butter. And then bread.
Bread. And salt as well. So,
Yeah.
ready?
Yeah.
So this is what you do with the pepper. You're gonna cut it like this.
Oh,
You see?
seeds.
And then you're gonna take out all the seeds. This. Okay, you wanna try?
Yeah.
All right, let's see. And this is a very sharp knife, remember? And as you're getting closer, you do it.
Cool.
All right.
Fine.
And now we have another little visitor because he always
Oh,
pops
some
in when
cheese.
food is going, when we have food going.
Give me some cheese.
Are you tearing up with the onions?
Yes.
Okay.
No, my eyes.
Ooh, my eyes are little. Ooh.
My eyes are wet.
Ah, it makes me cry. Is this sting your
Tell me
eyes?
when you're done.
All right, so we have our peppers and our onion cut. So now we're gonna.
Me and Mommy are gonna pour the olive oil. Let's
Okay,
see.
so let's go. It's a
Whoa!
You love cooking.
That's cool. It's like
All right, so we're gonna do the onions
Oh, onion.
first. So we're gonna let that go to get a little bit soft. Prepared. I've never tried this meat. It's my first time, but we'll see. It should be
It's gonna
good.
be yummy.
It was on sale at our grocery store, so that's why we're trying it. So while the veggies are going, let's start putting some of the bread, like coating it with a little butter so we can put it on the cast iron so it can get some
Yay.
lines.
Okay.
Because we're gonna be making them like into like little sandwiches. It's gonna be so good.
How do I make?
Dump it in there.
Whoa!
All right. Okay. So now we got our peppers in there as well.
The peppers are gonna like toast just like the onions.
Yeah.
And it's nice and juicy now.
Yeah.
Let's just
Salt it a little bit.
Let's showtime.
So one of the things that I do is that if I know that I'm gonna have bread like the next day or even that evening, I just go to the aisle where they put the yesterday's bread and I get it on sale, like sometimes less than half off. So it's great. So that's where we got this. And we're just gonna use the bigger pieces and we're gonna coat them with some butter. Okay, so the veggies are almost done, but I don't want to cook them too much because I want a little bit of a crunch. So I'm just going to set it aside and then start on the meat. So isn't it super cute that I have a little helper?
It's not that scary.
He's so cute. I mean, it does pose a little bit of a more mess and a little longer doing, you know, cooking and prepping. But it's so cute because they're learning something and I get to spend time with them. So I love it. So now it's time for the meat. So we're gonna put some pepper.
Pepper.
So you see how I do it? It's like,
Yeah.
and then you wanted to put some salt. So put a little bit in your fingers and then spread it around. All right, so now we're going to put the veggies in. Okay, I know this is not the typical
Cheese.
Philly cheesesteak, you know,
Oh, we're gonna rip it.
cheese, but I don't rip it. I just fold it in half and I just put it right there. Look at how good that is.
That is so yummy.
And then the cheese is gonna melt on top of it.
Yeah.
We're gonna put it,
Oh, that's cool.
and then we're gonna put it on the grill.
Can I try that? What? I did it, Mom.
Ooh, good job. And to spray the grill, I actually bought this mist pump for oil, and I have some vegetable oil,
Oh,
and I use that. I'll link it below. It's from Amazon, and it was super affordable.
Are you a ninja?
Yes.
How does ninja goes?
Yeah.
All done. We have our Philly cheesesteak sandwiches, some grilled cheese sandwiches for those that don't want, and of course, we had some requests for hot dogs. So are we ready
Yes.
for Sandwich and Salad Saturday?
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.
And check out some of our other videos. See you next time.
Bye.